Me hear them a ask Jaboogs what him a do up in a meca nightclub as a Rastaman slash singer. And I come to ask the ones them who asking Jaboogs that question. Why una ask Jaboogs that question? Is it because una believe that a Rastaman should not be seen in our club? Or is it because something is not right with that club? Or is it because you just want to create some content? Well, from my knowledge, I know that many Rasta artists, when them leave Jamaica for a tour in a foreign countries, they did a lot of club shows. So if Jaboogs should not go to Club Mecca to sing Call Angola for the people, then it make me wonder what going up in that the club there. Let me ask you something. What is going on up in that club that a Rasta singer should not go inside of that club to sing Call Angola? And now the Rasta man go up there and it look like them all this him that him have to walk away. Then I could have walked going up in that the club there. Well, me not follow up the club thing, And me never been to Club Mecca before. So I don't know. And I won't say I won't go there. But where I say, I walk going up in that the club there that a Rasta singer should not go there to sing. Me just curious to know. Me! Shocking Murray said that.